It's a lot lighter and it's more like a lotion. And true to its name, it is fluid. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And I want to say hello to all the newbies. And just in case you have no idea what a newbie is, honey, I am about to break it down for you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, maybe for the fifth. We don't even count around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subbies, and I want all of my newbies to come on in. Okay, so for today we got another one on the skincare continuum. You know, we've been talking about skincare and we've been talking about cleansers and moisturizers and yada, yada, yada. Well, I have one for you today. It's going to be a moisturizer and it's from a company that we have spoken about before. Now, you know that we have already talked about Tatcha and how I added that to my skincare regimen. But I want to introduce you to the little gem that I have in store for the spring and summer months when it gets a little hot, little stickier. So I'm about to show you what I'll be rocking on my skin when winter finally goes away and we get into the warmer months. This is none other than the Essential Creme Fluid by Amore Pacific. Now, those who are already initiated and checked out my video where I talked about my treatment enzyme cleanser, the cleansing foam, you guys are already up on your notes as far as Amore Pacific, the company. But we can do a quick refresher for all those who have just come into the building. Amore Pacific is a beauty brand company. It's a Korean-based beauty brand that offers a whole range of beauty products, from cleansers to moisturizers to other skincare treatments. And they basically base these products around the potency and the benefits of green tea, with a direct translation of its name being sending our love of beauty to the West. Amore Pacific uses every part of the green tea plant in its highly innovative, botanically based products. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get down to the meat and potatoes and let's talk about the product itself. Now, I think I did say or did intimate in my last video regarding Amore Pacific and the cleanser that I was introduced to these products via sample. I was shopping online at Sephora.com. At that particular time, they carried it and I was offered a sample. So I not only tried the cleanser, and the cleansing foam is absolutely fabulous, darling. But anyway, with regard to this particular moisturizer, I have to say that this is on par as well. So what exactly do I like about this? I like it because it is light and true to its name, it is more fluid. I would liken it more to a lotion for your face. So where the Tatcha is a heavier cream that for me offers a lot of protection, especially during these winter months and on my little dry patches that I get on my basically normal skin, the Essential Cream or Creme Fluid, it's a lot lighter and it's more like a lotion. It is described as having a lightweight texture and offer the instant hydration of a fluid while also offering the long-lasting benefits of a rich cream. Nutrient-rich in green tea, the Essential Creme Fluid also boasts the ability to enhance skin's moisture as well as its firmness. So like I said, true to its description, it is very light and it feels very light on the face and it smooths out effortlessly upon the skin. And I don't want to spill it, but that's what it looks like as it drips down my finger. But you can tell how fluid it is. It's not sticky at all. And it glides on the skin very, very easily. and it feels good going on. And you definitely feel, your skin definitely feels hydrated after applying. And as far as the scent or the smell, there's barely anything to it. It smells like, and again, I like to review the smells just in case there are people out there, which there are many, that have an aversion to smells or anything that's heavy, because we don't want olfactory overload, if you will. So with that being said, it's very light in that regard. It just smells to me just like a regular lotion, if that makes any sense. There's nothing special about its smell. It's very benign. It's very benign, very faint. And what I love about it is that your skin doesn't feel smothered, yet it feels protected. And ever since I got it into my skincare regimen, I have been happily using it and pairing it with the cleanser as well, the treatment cleanser that I talked about. The Essential Creme Fluid, it comes in a bottle such as this, which I believe is like a hard plastic with a silver pump. And it comes in 3.04 fluid ounces. So this is about the size of my hand. And I will tell you, just like with the Tatcha, a little goes a long way. I personally only need about 1 pump, but I don't see anyone needing really more than 2, if you will, to cover the face and make sure that your face feels moisturized and hydrated. And again, it pairs well with the cleanser that I use, including the Boscia cleanser that I use. You know, the one that I use just in case my face explodes here and there. That Boscia. So it pairs well and plays well with other products, at least the ones that I have in my rotation. So again, that's another A across the board for me. Again, for those who are not initiated, my skin is pretty normal, meaning I'm not too much of an oily girl. I'm not a dry girl, but I do get dry patches here and there, usually around my temples. And I will say that my skin, it can get sensitive. It can get a little finicky, so I cannot put just anything on my face, or else it's going to be trouble. So with that being said, I have had no issues with my skin, any flare-ups, any breakouts, as far as using this particular product. And I can definitely appreciate it being infused with green tea, because you can definitely see the benefits of that ingredient on your skin. At least I have. But I really do like this. So if you're looking for something, if you're still trying to build your skincare regimen and you're looking for something that basically has the hydrating properties of a cream, but the lightness and the absorption of a fluid, a daily moisturizer that won't leave your skin feeling greasy or heavy or weighed down, then I highly recommend the Amore Pacific Essential Creme Fluid. Now again, it goes without saying that everybody's skin is different. Just because it works for me, that does not necessarily mean that it's going to work for you. But again, if you're on the hunt, if you're on the lookout, if you are looking for something a little lighter, if you do change up your moisturizers from the colder months, and you're looking for something that's an all-around good moisturizer for your face, you just may want to take a peek. You just may want to check it out. And now that I have these two in my skincare regimen, from winter to spring to fall to summer, honey, I think I got everything covered as far as moisture for my skin. Now, it's also worth noting for those who do pay attention to such things that this particular product, as well as most of their products from Amore Pacific, this is paraben-free, made without phthalates, sulfates, gluten-free, as well as alcohol-free. So again, if you're looking for something different and you want to try something new and you haven't found your holy grail yet, you may want to check it out. So not only can it be found on their website, which is amorepacific.com, but also it can be found at Nordstrom's and Neiman Marcus, for those who fancy such places. So there you go, and there you have it, the Amore Pacific Essential Creme Fluid. I love it, and it is a skincare love and essential in my skincare regimen. So now that we have reviewed that and we are all caught up as far as the moisturizers in my stable of skin products, honey, it is time to skedaddle. So what do you think? I think we should, and that's what we're about to do. So without further delay, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, I need my subs and my noobs. I need y'all to come back on in here because we got more stuff to talk about. So you got to come back for that. So you already know it's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. All right.